What is it? What's going on? What? Let's see. Oh my goodness! Look. Look at that. What happened? Oh my goodness. Sully's been busy. Do you think he wants us to have a new tree topper? Huh? What about our snowman, Sully? Oh my goodness. That's too funny. What are they doing up there? Huh? What are they doing up there? What are they doing? Oh, yeah. This is Sully and his husky puppy. And his husky puppy's name is... What? What is it? What? Ow! 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 What? It's a girl? Is that husky puppy a girl? Yeah? Like you? Is a girl like... Oh, it's a boy? What is it? Is it a boy? It's a boy? Is it a boy? It's a girl? It's a girl or a boy? Boy? He says boy. What do you say? Uh-oh. She says it's a girl. Oh my goodness. We're at a quandary. We don't know if the husky puppy's a boy or a girl. Can you guys tell us? Okay, guys, we need your help. We need to know if the husky puppy's a boy or a girl. These two are disagreeing on it, so you guys tell us what you think. And, hey, if you have a good name, leave it as a suggestion, and we will see what we're going to name him or her, whichever it is. Monroe. Monroe says, it's a girl like me. Look how dirty she is. She just got a bath 2 days ago. She's a mess. Okay. Tonka says, it's a boy like me. Okay. You guys let us know what you think. Monroe's going to say, see you later, alligators. And Tonka's going to say, after a while, crocodiles. And I'm going to say, be blessed, guys. This is how she got so messy. Be super duper blessed. Oh, my word. These two are a mess. Hmm.